the great thing about Bob was he was there to give us some guidance, answer any questions. So you had a safety net. If you thought things were getting away from you, you were able to call him and say, hey, you know, I need a dig out here, or can you just explain this to me again? Himself and his son Nicholas demonstrated what we needed to do. They did a great job. It was great working with him. He's a very easy guy to communicate with. It was something that we could install fairly easily, and it worked. It was able to ventilate the space. It didn't let any more moisture back down, but it was able to give it the circulation to let the moisture dissipate. And that is it. Like I say, it has worked really, really well in the building that we've done, and I do intend to do it on the other buildings that we have. If all the jobs work out as well as the first one, I'll be extremely happy.